Hey everyone, when markets get faster, one of the first things that I like to do is reduce position size in my trading and investing activities. And so if you look at what's been happening here for the past number of days is we've seen a big spike in volatility. The VIX here at some point got close into the almost the 70s, and so we think this somewhat higher volatility regime is probably going to be with us here for some time, which simply means that it's an opportunity to take down position size. And because the implied volatility or the realized or historical volatility is there in the market, be able to go for the same kind of opportunities or gains, if you will, by taking just less risk. So it kind of goes hand in hand. In other words, if I typically, let's say, were to trade, 5 options contracts or invest, let's say, $5,000 per investment, I may want to reduce this by, let's say, half. But because of the heightened volatility we still have the same opportunity, but we have to take less risk. So it's a good thing. What's also happening at the same time here is we're getting stocks, bonds, ETFs, futures contracts to get to overbought and oversold ratings much more quickly, which is actually a blessing because, again, it allows us to have the same amount of opportunities we would get maybe within the course of a month, maybe within a week. Let me share with you what I mean by that. And so we like to use our Vertical X Pro indicator for this specific kind of opportunity which measures when a stock, an ETF, a commodity, currency gets extremely overbought or extremely oversold. In this case, you can see Sprouts Farmers Market, ticker symbol SMF, got extremely overbought just a few days ago, and then basically right after that started dropping as much as 7% or so over the course of just a couple of days. So when volatility picks up, we actually get more opportunities, or I guess the same amount of opportunities, but compressed in much shorter time periods. Same thing goes for intraday. We're seeing markets now, let's say the S&P 500 or futures or individual stocks like Apple and what have you, the DAX, get much more overbought and oversold much more quickly on an intraday basis, leading us to more opportunity. So we're going to show you guys exactly how we like to look at the market through that lens. We're going to use our Vertical X Pro to showcase to you how we find these extreme overbought and oversold ratings, which again right now are giving us even more opportunity in a much shorter time frame. Hope to see you guys in this week's discussion on that. You can sign up for that down below or on the next screen.